This is going to be math for Wednesday of week 26. You have been using partial sums to find the answer to addition equations. Now you're going to be using partial differences to find the answer to subtraction problems. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with 462, since that is the number that you have at the beginning, okay? So we're going to take 462 and we're going to break apart 181 to subtract it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take away 100 from 462. So when I take away 100 from 462, I get 362. All right, now I'm going to take and I'm going to subtract the tens place, which is 80. So I'm going to take away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split 80 into 60 and 20. So if I take away 60 there, it's going to leave me with 302. But I also need to subtract 20 more because 60 plus 20 is 80, and I'm having to subtract 80. So if I take 20 more away from 302, what is my answer going to be? Well, I'm going to go backwards to 292 and then 282. So I would be at 282. Now that I'm at 282, I need to subtract my ones place. So when I subtract my ones place from 282, I'm going to get minus 1, and my final answer is going to be 281. So that is the difference of 462 minus 181. You can also use a number line. So that's one way that you can do it, is to break it apart like that. But now I'm going to solve it using an open number line. So when I use an open number line to find the difference, I'm comparing the two numbers. So I'll put 181 down here, and I'll put 462 down here, okay? I'll hop 9 right here with 181 to get to 190. That's a friendly number for me, okay? Then I'm going to hop 10 more, because when I hop 10 more, it puts me at 200, okay? I need to get from 200 to 462, so I'm going to hop 200, and when I take 200 plus 200, it gives me 400. Now I'm at 400, I'm going to hop 62 plus 62, because guess what that's going to get me to? It's going to get me to my end answer at 462. Now that I have figured out how much is in between, I need to total those up. So I'll come out here to the side. I'll have 200 plus 62 plus 10 plus 9, okay? So I'll have 200. Now, let's look here. I have 11. So when I put 9 and 2 together, I'll mark those out. That's going to make 11. So that's going to add another 10 there. So I'm going to have a 1 in my ones place. We have 6, 7, and 8. And I got 281 that way. So it doesn't matter if you use an open number line or if you break it apart, as long as you get the answer.